You are going to love the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, climate control, cloth upholstery, driver's side airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.